Hi, I'm Laura Chacón-Garbato, and I'm here to talk to you today about the amazing Herbalife Skin Clearify Acne System and the science behind the products. The Clearify product line contains 4 easy-to-use products that are dermatologist-tested and contain no added sulfates or parabens. The active ingredient in all 4 products is salicylic acid, which has the ability to penetrate the skin and encourage the shedding of dead skin cells from within to help clear pores. Also, this ingredient prevents new blemishes from forming and eliminates blackheads and whiteheads. So some of you may probably be wondering if the Clearify products are oil-free. Well, just because one has oily skin doesn't mean you don't need hydration and essential oils in your products. The Clearify system contains non-drug ingredients that pamper your skin, such as uplifting and refreshing tea tree and orange oils, which do not contain petroleum-based mineral oils that can clog your pores. The products are specially designed for oily and acne-prone skin. So as you can see, we really have the best of both worlds with this product, an active anti-acne ingredient and botanicals to pamper your skin at the same time. For more information on the Herbalife Skin Clearify product line, contact your independent distributor.